parallel mode, but it's not.
It's following us on this side.
Started on this side, that's where I want it to follow. Active track. Yeah, I don't want to put it into a tree.
Nope. Hang on.
Oh yeah. Hey guys, Kapper here. Let's take the Polaris for a ride. My son is in visiting and he detailed it up, so why not get it a little bit dirty? We're supposed to take it out for a property exploration tomorrow, but it's supposed to rain. Also today I'm going to take out the drone, the new Mini 3 Pro, try out the active track and just get some fresh air and some different drone shots. I'll let you know my thoughts on the active track. Once again, I almost crashed it like 3 times. Okay, go ahead. Cool. Okay. Active track, parallel. Okay, that's fine. Go. Record. Okay.
The green here. I think the green will look good.
Hang on, pause once. Alright, so the drone was kind of, you see how it's zooming in, or not zooming in, but flying in and out. I wasn't doing that. So far, I'm kind of struggling with the active track on this one. I'm kind of trying A, flying it on my own, but B, when I let it do the active track on its own, it gets really wonky. And even though I hit parallel, it spins around the buggy. And parallel, I believe, is supposed to just kind of follow it straight in a line. But we'll keep trying here and see how it goes. It's supposed to be in this, hang on, yeah, I don't want to put it into a tree. It's supposed to be in this parallel mode, but it's not.
It's following us on this side.
Well, I know, but it started on this side. That's where I want it to follow over here.
I can go across the field here on the other edge.
Let me stop the active track. All right, so here I gave up on active track for now. Since we got a lot of trees, I'm just going to manually try to parallel the buggy and see how that goes for some decent video. Just go straight.
Through there would be cool.
Yeah, that'd probably be pretty neat. Let's go ahead and go that way.
That'd be a true test. It's your abilities.
Yeah, it's like a maze.
Okay, now go slow through here. I'm gonna try and follow you. Hold up right here. Okay, now go slow and I'll just kind of back it out. You got big bumps here anyways. Yep. Coming up. guess it won't matter. I don't think it'll wreck the deer on.
Yeah, they'll be fine.
Okay, just go ahead and make that turn and drive a little ways. Try active track, stop once more. Active track, parallel, go.
Pond dam or below?
Yeah, take the pond down. So as you'll see here, I'm back on active track again, parallel, and the drone really does not hold the buggy well. It gets really wonky and comes in, zooms in, flies in, and goes back out. And then, I mean, I'm trying to salvage the active track manually as it goes like off course. So then I'll try to manually move it back into place and then try to let it go. But you're gonna see it's really, I don't know, man, unless it's operator error, which it could be, although I've used active track on my Phantom 4 for many years and have not had these kind of difficulties. Can you see the, Kelly, can you see the drone on your left?
The pond there.
Yep.
Okay.
It's just diagonal back. Yep.
Should we go through there?
Yeah.
Hit the sand pile.
All right, so the next thing I'm going to try here, which you're going to kind of find this a little comical, but I'm going to try and fly the drone through this very narrow trail. I don't believe the Mini 3 Pro has narrow sensing, which is a drawback. Although I could have flipped it into sport mode and turned the sensors off. But here you're going to see kind of what it's like with the sensors on, trying to go through an 8-foot wide trail to line up the next shot. Just don't run into it in case it's a little bit. Let me bring it out here.
Oh, nope. Hang on.
Oh yeah.
Almost landed the
Nice.
perched onto that.
I would have just doinked that one branch there.
Well, it probably would have crashed it. Man, turn the air on if you want. Ooh, it's getting warm in here.
Give you some space to open it up.
Yeah, let me get the drone set up, and you can go up that road. That one there. Punch it if you want.
At least if you let it track us, it wouldn't crash into anything.
Yeah, it'll still freaking crash. First of all, it doesn't have side sensors, and second of all, it'll still freaking crash.
Yeah.
ahead and rip by it.
All right, so I've had the Mini 3 Pro now for probably half a dozen flights so far, and prior to that I had a Phantom 4 Pro for quite a few years. The drone is so much smaller and the controller is smaller. It does take some learning curve to fly it successfully, but the active track, so far I'm not really happy with it. I'll continue practicing, but like I said, I've used it in the past many times. So I don't know if it's software glitches or operator error, using the parallel, but I'll continue to do it and hope you stay with us on the channel. We've got a lot of very unique adventures. We're in the process of purchasing a 300-acre parcel here in southern Illinois. We're going to parcel that out and do some machine work, and of course we'll have drone videos mixed in as well. So we hope to see you on either our main channel at Kapper Outdoors Modern Homestead or Kapper Outdoors 2.0. So have a great evening. Thanks a lot.